Alright, so you've probably already seen an unboxing of this guy. This is the OnePlus Nord. But today I'm giving you a world exclusive reveal of what they call the Nord Pop-Up box. And we're actually giving away 5 of them to you. So rules for that are in the caption. But what is this? Well, to compensate for the fact that we can't really have a physical queue right now to buy the phone, OnePlus has tried to create a virtual queue using the hashtag NordPopup on Instagram. So you go onto their website, create an avatar of your choice, post it on Instagram, give your post link to them, and that's your way of telling them that you're in it. And OnePlus is basically going to go through this queue, picking thousands of people who've registered, and instead of those people getting the normal OnePlus Nord box, they would be getting the special OnePlus Nord Pop-Up box. So let's take a look inside. The box is about 3 times bigger than the standard retail package. It comes with a sheet of stickers, and actually what I just found out is that this logo is meant to represent a compass pointing north. We've got the phone in its retail box, which I've already done a full unboxing of over on the Mrwhosetheboss YouTube channel, and then there's a similar looking box, which is not really what it looks like. It's a water bottle, a vacuum sealed water bottle, and then right at the bottom, what I'm told is a limited edition case. So the only people that will get this are people who've entered this virtual queue or this giveaway and won. And I think depending on your region, some people will get a tote bag, which just says Nord by OnePlus on front. I guess this is what they would have given you in person had there been a physical pop-up store. Alright, so to enter this giveaway, 3 simple steps. Just be following me, Mrwhosetheboss, the OnePlus Nord Instagram page, and then just tag someone who you think could do with one of these. Alright, catch you in the next one.